Craftartarina, your weekly dose of DIYs. So today we are going to make something out of newspaper. I hope you'll enjoy the video. Let's get started.
First you're going to fold the newspaper twice, and then I'm not using a scissor, I'm just using a scale to tear off the strips. You all can use a scissor if you all want to. I'm using this to make the newspaper tubes. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can just use pencil to make it. Done with the first tube, but you'll need a lot more. I'll use the whole pile that I made. Take one tube. This kind of forms the backbone of the lady, and then the second one forms like the shoulder. Add 3 folded tubes on the right as well as the left. Next we're using yarn to bind the whole thing together. This forms the head. I used 2 tubes to make the head look large enough. I stuck a piece of newspaper on the front and the back just to have a clean finish. Next, for the lady's skirt, you don't need the whole tube. I just cut it into half. Just make sure that the other tube that you cut out is secured with Fevicol again, just to be on the safer side. I want the skirt to flare out a bit, so you're going to add tubes one by one. Skirt took a lot of time to make. This is how it's gonna look once it's done. I'm wrapping up the front end of the skirt just to give it a cleaner look. I used 2 tubes for this. I'm making the blouse right now. It's a repetitive process. You're just going round and round, wrap it up. I like the way the skirt looks when all the tubes are together, so I just stuck all of them. This step really helped me when I was actually painting the whole doll. Now I'm making the turban for the lady. And lastly, I'm making the basket.
that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you all did, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.